sky's all bruised with shades of gray. We've turned its blue to dust and decay. The rivers choke, the fish can't play. We light the fire and walk away. A ruthless hand we've pressed so tight, breaking the world, stealing its light. Don't think it's free, this heavy toll. The price is coming, it'll burn our soul. Mountains crumble beneath our greed. Forests scream, but we don't heed. We've torn the roots, spilled the seed. What more destruction do we need? But nature waits, silent and fierce. Its wrath cuts deep, 1,000 spears. We thought we owned what wasn't ours. Now we'll feel its vengeful scars. A ruthless hand we've pressed so tight, breaking the world, stealing its light. Don't think it's free, this heavy toll. The price is coming, it'll burn our soul. The oceans boil, the air turns dry. We chose to blindfold every cry. Now shadows stretch across the sky. We feel regret but still deny.
If we destroy nature, we destroy ourselves. Humans need nature to survive, but nature doesn't need humans. Nature without humans will recover and thrive. We should urgently think about this and finally recognize who's the stronger one, who's going to win.